Hello everyone, and welcome to Linko's channel. In today's video I will show you how to fix your start button not working on your Windows computer. And now let's get started. If your Windows start button is not responding when you click it, or it is not working in general, there are several troubleshooting steps you can take. The first and often quickest fix is to restart the Windows Explorer process. You can access the Task Manager by pressing Ctrl-Alt-Delete on your keyboard or by pressing Ctrl-Shift-Escape. Once the Task Manager is open, search for Windows Explorer in the Processes list. Right-click on Windows Explorer and select Restart. After the process restarts, check if your Start button is now working. If this does not resolve the issue, you can try running the Windows Explorer process again. In the Task Manager, click on Run New Task, located in the top navigation bar. Type explorer.exe into the field and press Enter. Again, check if your Start button is functioning correctly. If the problem persists, we will move on to using the command prompt to check for system file corruption. Bring up the Task Manager again by pressing Ctrl-Alt-Delete. Select Run New Task. This time, type CMD, and crucially check the box that says, Create this task with administrative privileges. Click OK. In the command prompt window that appears, type sfc/scannow and press Enter. This command will initiate a system file check to scan for and repair corrupted files. Please be patient, as this process may take a few minutes to complete verification up to 100%. Once the scan is finished, test your Start button once more. Should the issue still be unresolved, it is important to ensure your Windows system is fully up to date. Right-click on the Windows icon in your taskbar and select Settings. Navigate to Windows Update from the left-hand menu. Verify that you have installed all available updates. If you see a Check for Updates button, click it and allow your computer to download and install any pending updates. Sometimes, a simple update can resolve unexpected glitches. If all the previous steps have not fixed your Start button, a more comprehensive solution is to reset your PC. In the Settings window, click on System from the left-hand side. Scroll down and select Recovery. Under the Reset This PC option, click on Reset PC. You will be presented with two choices: Keep My Files, or Remove Everything. For this scenario, we will select Keep My Files. Please note that resetting your PC is a more significant step as it will reinstall Windows. However, selecting Keep My Files will preserve your personal documents, but it will remove all installed applications and third-party software. If you are comfortable proceeding with this option, click Next. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.